An ABC 17 Storm Track weather alert day is in effect for tomorrow as I'm tracking the threat for strong storms coming in 2 rounds. The first one moves in by around 8 o'clock and then wraps up by about noon. We get a bit of a gap and then we'll see more development by late afternoon. By around 3 or 4 o'clock, more storms start to develop and move through the area. By around 11 o'clock is when I'm expecting those storms to be moving south of mid-Missouri. I will be tracking the potential of 60 to 70 mile-per-hour winds with both rounds, potentially some 1-inch hail or a few tornadoes into the late afternoon, and flash flooding is also a possibility with both rounds of storms bringing some heavy rainfall. Showers and storms, severe weather getting going out to our west across portions of Nebraska and Kansas. That whole storm complex across Nebraska will dive in our direction by tomorrow morning. I'll show you what that looks like. Here's our future track starting out at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Showers and storms quickly approach our northwestern counties by around 7 or 8 and then continue to race along I-70 through about midday, giving us a brief break from storms, but it will likely leave us with a boundary for more storms to develop by afternoon. And some of those could be singular at first. We'll be watching those closely for the threat of some large hail and potentially a quick tornado. As we head towards evening, all of this starts to develop into one line, and that's where we'll come into a wind threat, potentially seeing those winds in excess of 60 miles per hour and quite a bit of rainfall with this line. As it slides to the south, it'll take the threat with it. By around 11 o'clock, we'll start to clear out much of mid-Missouri, and we'll be left with cloud cover heading into Friday morning, but not expecting much more rainfall after that. Temperatures will be cooling down quite a bit behind this system as we'll be getting down into the 60s as rainfall moves out of the area. Here's our severe weather breakdown for tomorrow. The highest risk is going to be with the winds. Again, anywhere from 60 to 70 mile per hour winds, potentially quarter-size hail, a few tornadoes, and isolated flash flooding, as we could see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. With this system, we'll finally cool things down and clear it all out by the weekend. Expecting low 60s for highs on Friday, mid 60s with sunshine on Saturday, and then heading into the rest of the weekend, a little bit warmer. We're staying dry through Sunday, potentially seeing a little bit of rain by Memorial Day, but temperatures should still be comfortable in the mid 70s. As we head into the rest of next week, I'm expecting rain chances to continue into Tuesday and Wednesday, but temperatures stay seasonal in the mid 70s.